What's up, guys? This is the Yankee Kid back, Yankee Kid 49 back with another video. Here we're gonna open 10 Game Changer packs. Here we bought the two bundles they have. It's five Game Changer packs bundle and a bundle topper that guarantees one Elite Award winners. We're gonna first start with the stragglers here. Let's see what we got here. See if we can start off with some elites. We start with a gold there. See if we get some elites. It's all golds here. All gold players. Here we got a football outsider, Robert Woods. Okay, all gold here again. Next pack. All gold again. These packs are a little trash right now. The stragglers weren't that good. Hopefully the bundle is much better. Now with this one we're just gonna start the stragglers. Let's try with these bundles. Oh, it's all golds again. Let's reveal over here. Let's see what we got here. We saw this. Oh, here we got a Brandon Marshall, elite Brandon Marshall there. That's a good pull. So, next pack. Let's see what we got here. Revealed old again. All golds again. Okay, not that bad. See what we got here. Here we got Mark Branham, Football Outsider. Here we got a Mike Daniels. All right, these packs are heating up. That was a good pack there. Three elites there in one pack. Great pack there. See the next one. See what we get here. Here we go. There we got an elite right tackle. Here we got a football outsider, Mark Ingram. Great pull. Hey, two elites in one pack there. All right, these packs are not being that bad. Not that bad anymore. Next pack, let's see what we got here. All right, this one was an all gold player pack. Let's see this one. Let's reveal. We're gonna reveal all on this one. See what we got here. All golds again. All right. This one we're gonna go through it. Here we go to Matt Forte. Let's go. Alright, one elite there, not bad of a pack. Next pack. Oh, there we got Lee Doug Baldwin. There we go. That's a great pull. That he's going for like 15K because that's with the chemistry. Alright, next pack. There we got a Terrell Suggs. There we go. Terrell Suggs. Let's see another elite. No more elites. Alright. One elite in this pack. Not that bad. Alright, next pack. Let's see. We're gonna reveal all on this one. Oh, here. Oh, this is the bundle tower. Here we get Max Unger for one of the war winners, and the next one, what we got? One of the new ones. Another Max Unger. All right. Let's see how much those Max Ungers go for, and how many elites we pulled. And the bundle topper doesn't count. We're just gonna see how much he's going for, because I don't think I need him in my lineup. Yeah, I don't need it in my lineup. $30K for each one, and 30K. That's the 3K. It's 27K for 27K there. I'm gonna put it for 30K. Oh, I almost quick sold it. 30K. We're gonna put it off for 30K. With taxes, that's come out to be 27K. So 27K, 27. That's about 50 something K. So we made some made some coins there. And here we pulled, how many elites did we pull in this pack? We pulled 1, 2, 3. That's going to do it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked it, make sure to like the video and subscribe if you're new. And see you into the